Can y'all hear that rain out there? It started raining on me as soon as I got out of the truck, but I already had everything mixed up, so I'm going to get this tub taken care of for these nice people. What had happened, you can tell once again, it is so thin, paper thin. It's not the right product on here. This is actually not even meant for bathtubs. So I'm going to get all this off of here. I thought it was going to be a bonding, like I've said before, how they get the bonding. You can see how that's just coming off on my finger. But anyway, we'll get them all fixed up and get them a nice, get them a real nice slip resistant on here. They got gorgeous tile going around here, so make everything look good. And I'll match it with the white that is on the commode. I believe that is going to be more like a kohler white. I don't know what's coming through on video, but I think it's going to be a kohler white. And I'll get it all matched up and make it look great for them. Match the sink, or should I say the tub, to the sink commode. And got it all finished up for them with a slip resistant resin on the floor, and of course all the way down to the ground here. You hear my shoes squeaking around from the still being wet on the rain. Got it recaulked around there, and everything is ready to go tomorrow. I'd just say tomorrow at 5 p.m.